Hi everybody, it's Amber and I'm so glad you joined me in today's video. I'm here to announce that I will be doing a 2024 craft fair series, but I'm so excited. I have a lineup of videos planned and it's going to be for the entire month of August. So the first official craft fair project is going to be this Saturday. I'm going to be doing a full tutorial and I'm introducing a new item. And in fact, I'm going to be introducing multiple new items for this year's craft fair series, along of course with some best sellers, but I'm so excited to share the new stuff with you. Here is a sneak peek of Saturday's video tutorial. I have a feeling that this project is going to be one of my best sellers at my craft fairs this year. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on Saturday for our first craft fair project. Bye!